Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about Python, one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, in 1989, and has since become a go-to language for many developers worldwide. Python's journey began in 1989 when Guido van Rossum decided to create a new scripting language to pass his Christmas holidays. He named it Python, inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python's Flying Circus. The first version, 0.9.0, was released in 1991, and since then, Python has seen several major releases, including the significant 3.0 version in 2008, which introduced many modern programming language features. Python's strengths lie in its simplicity, readability, and efficiency. It allows developers to accomplish more with less code, making it an excellent choice for various applications. Python is open source, with a strong community and ecosystem. However, like other interpreted languages, Python's execution speed can be slower compared to compiled languages like C or C++. Python's versatility is truly remarkable. It's used in desktop applications, web development, cloud infrastructure, data analysis, quantitative trading, machine learning, and automation. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Netflix extensively use Python for their systems and automation. It's also a popular choice for data scientists and quants due to its powerful libraries for data manipulation and analysis. In conclusion, Python's popularity is well-deserved. Its simplicity, versatility, and vast ecosystem make it an excellent choice for developers across various domains. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python is a language worth learning and exploring. Its applications continue to expand, and its community continues to thrive, ensuring that Python will remain a powerful tool in the world of programming for years to come.